Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download and install Audacity to your laptop. Firstly, open your web browser and go to audacityteam.org and click the blue download button to start downloading it. If you select Run, it will automatically start the installation process. Select the Save folder. Just note that for Windows 11 users, you may see a warning indicating that Audacity hasn't been verified by Microsoft. Just click Install anyway to proceed. When prompted by Windows to allow changes, click Yes to permit the installation. In the Language section window, choose your preferred one, then click OK. On Audacity's Welcome page, click Next to begin. The information page describes Audacity's GNU General Public License. Just click Next to continue, then you'll see Select Destination Location. Or just click Browse to choose a different folder. On the Select Additional Tasks page, choose if you want to create a desktop shortcut or not. Review your installation choices, then click Install. The setup process may take a few moments to complete. Then when you see the completing Audacity Setup Wizard window, click Finish to close the installer. If you'd like Audacity to open immediately, check the Launch Audacity box before finishing. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.